I've kind of fallen in love with this place, the seaside, the beautiful old towns, the architecture, the people, the culture. As some of you know, I am a martial arts master. I am a warrior. I am someone who pays close attention to the heart and mind of other people who love the martial arts. And I believe that Serbia, Montenegro, they all have a great spirit and understanding for the martial arts, great warriors, great sportsmen. And we have decided we're going to do a great martial arts center here, a center for Japanese, maybe even Chinese, other cultural martial arts here. I'm going to be the president of that organization. Myself and Neil are going to build an amazing Budokan-like center. I'm going to hire, pick and choose the best traditional martial arts to come and teach here on a daily basis.